Hi there guys, this is Devin from Neptune Design, and today I'm going to be showing you how to target clients via their revenue. This can be used to target companies, or it can be used to target people via household income. Now, if any of you are scared or haven't advertised on Twitter before, don't be scared. I'm going to take you through this step by step, and it's very easy and very simple to do. For those of you who have not advertised on Twitter before, I also have a video on how to advertise on Twitter, and I've got a specific video dedicated to that. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to see that video as well. Now, first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on profile and settings, and you're going to go down to Twitter ads. That'll open up the Twitter ads manager. From here, you're going to click on create campaign. Okay, now here is where you choose the goal of your campaign or the goal of your ads. You can choose between app installs if you want to get more installs for your app, if you want to get more followers for your Twitter account, or if you want to increase the awareness of your brand. There's a lot of options here that you can go to. I need traffic for my website, so I'm going to say website clicks or conversions. I'm going to click there, and I'm just going to name this Neptune Design Traffic. Okay, funding source, you guys will set that up on your side. Daily budget, how much do you want to spend a day on your ads? You can choose that over here. Now you're going to click on next. Okay, now if you have a group of ads, like you're running 7 or 8 ads simultaneously, that's where you use this ad group section over here. But I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to skip over this section and click next. Okay, now we're getting to the good stuff. This is your audience section. The first section gives you predetermined audiences. The second section over here is your demographics. Now, if you have a product that appeals simply only to males or applies just to males or females, this is where you can make that selection. You can also choose the age range, what sort of ages you want to target, but I'm just going to leave this as all ages, your country or your location that you want to target. And now we're going to get to the good part. This is where you can target via revenue. So first I'm going to show you how to target personal household income. So you're going to click on all, and you're going to click on all, and then you're going to click on behaviors. From behaviors, you're going to go to finance. From finance, you're going to go to a section called household income. Once you click there, you'll be able to see all of the different segments of the market. So if you have a high-end product or a product that you know will only appeal to a certain group of people earning a certain amount of money, this is the section where you can target them. So this is for household income if you want to target people. But what if you want to target businesses? You can also do that. You're just going to click on all. You're going to go through to behaviors again. Then you're going to click on business. So let's find business over here. Okay, we got business, and then we're going to go and click on sales revenue. And as you can see here, all of the businesses are segmented by their revenue, and you can simply add the type of businesses that you want to deal with. Now I need to deal with small businesses, people who want to get their Google Analytics or set up their ads. So I'm going to go 0 to 250,000 US dollars, and I'm going to click add. And there we go. And that's how you target customers via revenue on Twitter. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, like or subscribe to the channel so that I can make more videos for you guys. Thank you very much.